Okay, boys, we have just finished learning Psukim, Chaf Tes Talam and Vav and Perek Yud Beis. And what we're going to do now is we're going to have a Chazara, and I'm going to be splitting you up into 4 different groups, 4 different centers. Group number 1 is Moshe, Dov, Moshe Yaakov, Shaya, and Zalman. Group 2 is Zev Mordechai, Menachem, Daniel Simcha, Nisan Michal, Binyamin. Group 3 is Zalman Baruch, Dov Eliyahu, Chaim Misha Tzvi, Yehuda Tzvi, and Yehuda. And group 4 is Yeshayahu, Binyamin Noach, Avraham, Chaim Yeshua, and Yonasan. And each boy is going to go to their specific group. So for example, group 1 goes here, group 2 goes over there, group 3 is going over there, and group 4 is going over there. Now you'll notice that by each center, there's pencil and paper, so you don't really need to bring anything. Each center has 4 copies of the same sheet, 1 for each of the groups. And what you're going to be doing is as follows. First group, right over here, is going to be doing the Taich. You have 5 minutes to finish the Taich. Group 2 over there is going to be doing the Mir Ma'al Meis. Group 3 over here is going to be doing the Al Ninemars. And group 4 over here is going to be doing the She'elis. Now I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute. And it's going to take you about 1 minute to transition from your seats into your specific group. Once everyone is standing by their group and has transitioned perfectly, I'm then going to reset the timer for 5 minutes. And you're going to have 5 minutes to finish your sheet at your center. Once the buzzer buzzes at the end of the 5 minutes, each group is then going to move to another group. So for example, in 5 minutes time, group 1 goes here and does that sheet. Group 2 goes there and does that sheet. Group 3 goes here and does that sheet. And group 4 goes here and does that sheet. We're going to do this until every group has done every single section of the worksheets. After the 20 minutes are over, we are then going to go over the questions, make sure everyone has answered the questions correctly. And then if anybody has any other questions, I'll be able to answer them. Now, the first boy in each of the groups over here, they're going to be in charge of writing down any questions that the group might have. They'll write it down on the bottom of their sheet, and then I'll be walking around to make sure everything is working out well. And then if you have any questions, you just show me on your sheet what your question is, and I'll do my best to answer. Okay, does anybody have any questions? Okay, good. Now, who can repeat the instructions, please? Yes. Okay, very good. Does anybody have anything to add? Yes. Excellent. Also, a very good point. Okay, I'm about to start the timer. Once I start it, please transition quickly and quietly to your specific center. And